In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Udemy courses by level on desktop. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by too many course options, filtering by level is the fastest way to zero in on lessons that match your experience. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your expertise, this quick walkthrough will keep your search focused and your time well spent. First, open your desktop browser and head to the Udemy homepage. If you see the option to log in, go ahead and sign in so your experience is personalized and your preferences stick while you browse. Being logged in isn't strictly required, but it helps keep things consistent as you explore. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click inside it and type a topic you're interested in, something like Python, Photoshop, or any subject you want to learn. Press Enter on your keyboard to pull up the full results. The page will load with a wide range of courses related to your keyword. On the results page, turn your attention to the left-hand side. You'll see a panel of filters designed to help refine your list. This is where you can narrow things down quickly. If your browser window is very narrow, you might need to scroll slightly to the top of the results to spot the filters, but on most desktop screens, they're clearly visible along the left. Within that panel, find the filter labeled Level. This is the key to matching course difficulty to your experience. You'll typically see options like Beginner, Intermediate, and Expert, and sometimes an All Levels category. As a quick guide, choose Beginner if you're new to the topic and want foundational lessons, Intermediate if you have some familiarity and want to build skills, and Expert if you're ready for advanced techniques and deeper dives. All Levels usually includes courses that are designed to be accessible to a broad range of learners, often starting with basics and moving into more complex material. Click the level that best fits your needs. The results will refresh automatically, showing only courses that match the level you selected. If you want to explore a different difficulty, simply click another level and the list will update again. This makes it easy to compare options without losing your place or starting your search over. That's all you need to do. By using the level filter, you'll quickly narrow your choices and find courses that are appropriate for where you are right now. Happy learning, and enjoy discovering the course that fits you best.